In the part 1 of the examination, I use OpenCV's R Cascade classifier to detect faces from an image in Google Colab. I first converted the image to grayscale to make it easier for the program to process. Then I used the pre-trained file R Cascade to find faces in the image. The function detect multiscale helped locate the face by scanning different parts of the image. After detecting it, I drew a green rectangle around the face to show the detected area. Then I displayed the image with the title Part 1 Face Detection, which clearly showed that the face was successfully detected. For the second part, I used the LBPH or Local Binary Patterns Histogram algorithm to OpenCV to recognize a face from another image. I first used a training image of my face and converted it to grayscale so it would be easier to detect. Then I detected my face using the R Cascade classifier and trained the LBPH face recognizer with that data. After that, I tested it on another image to see if the program could recognize me. If the test image matched the trained one, a green box with the label recognized appeared. If not, a red box with unknown was shown. Here, I just tested other picture. So finally, this was the result showing whether the program correctly identified the face or not. For the third part, which is the mood detection, I first used the SIFT or Scale Invariant Feature Transform algorithm to detect the mood of a face by comparing it with 3 sample images showing happy, sad, and neutral emotions. I first loaded all the image in grayscale and used SIFT to find important key points and features on each face. Then I used a brute force matcher to compare the test image with each emotion image and counted how many good matches they had.